Next up, Heist, Tier 4, Act 2. In this week, you complete an Aether Extract contract and collect a filled essence container from an Aether Extract contract. Super easy. All we need to do is mark one of these missions, which has a little rocket coming out of it, and do it. That's it. I'd recommend playing this with a team, as when you're doing this mission, there are mercenaries that come in and will definitely do some harm to you if you're not prepared. Having a pack-a-punch gun is the best. Okay, so I'll mark the correct mission, and we just need to get over there now. Okay, so let's pick up the mission, and now all we need to do is get across to the Aether Extractors that are coming down. Do note there'll be some angry guards around here, and of course, even more reinforcements. So, just be prepared, hopefully have lots of armor, and preferably a pack-a-punched weapon. It's not the end of the world if you don't, they're just a little bit angry. So, we'll overload the first one, and as soon as this one pops, we can run away. There we go. Now, we can head across to the next one. It'd be great if we had a turret activator, so we'd activate the one on the roof up here, but it's fine, I suppose. We'll come across to the last one, and overload this one too. Actually, there's a third one that I missed. Okay then. Okay, so activating this last one here before the timer runs out. Boop. Now, we're done. That's it. Then once you've done the last one, and it pops, you're done. You'll find this on the floor, filled essence container. Simply pick this up, and it doesn't actually go to your inventory. And there we go. You don't need to extract with this. All you need to do is collect it, and that's it. It doesn't even go to your inventory, so it's not something you need to worry about not selling, etc. Once you pick it up, you're done with this mission. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. That has been Heist, Tier 4, Act 2. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.